My name is Pat Billiou, and this is my husband Gary. We've been married 43 years, and 2 years ago we decided instead of buying a house up north, we would put a pool in our backyard. We have friends that have cabins up north, and you see them having to pack their cars, load groceries, load all the kids, drive 3 hours away, and you still have that cottage to clean, and you still have to cook. And this is so much easier because you just come in the backyard. Nobody has to pack a car or drive 3 hours away. You're already here. And this is our paradise. I live for the summer times. This is the best investment we ever made, and I love my pool.
Not only that, the water is crystal clear, and we don't have to worry about any E. coli in the water. Where typically when you go to a beach, you never know what the E. coli count is, and you're always worried about whether it's safe to swim or not.
And it's a salt pool, and salt is cleaner than chlorine, and you don't have that smell of chlorine in the pool.